Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is ratio, chapter number 9, page number 212. Chapter 9 and page is 212 from book D1. Okay. Question number 1. Simplify each of the following ratio. Ratio is simply as the comparing two same quantities, and then we will simplify according to these quantities. Okay? So now we have to find the simplest form of these ratio. So first question is, its A part is 1.5 kg is equal to, this is the sign of ratio. Okay, this sign of ratio. Okay, so it is 350 gram. One, look at here at the board, one quantity in kg and other quantity is in gram. So we have to change both of them into the same measurements. So if we will change kgs into grams, then 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. And if we will change grams to kg, okay, 1 gram 2 kg, then it is 1 over 1000 kg. Got it? So it's mean when we are changing bigger to smaller unit, we will always multiply, and we are changing from smaller to bigger, then it is divide. Okay, now in this question we have to change kg into gram. So for changing this into kg into gram, what we will do, we will multiply. This is the kg, so we are changing bigger into smaller, so we will multiply it with 1000. So we can change this into gram, and both quantities should be in the same measurements, like conversion, like we will convert these 1 kg to grams, because this is also in grams, so we have to change this also into grams. So this one will be 1.5 multiplied by 1000. It will be 1500 gram. Okay, 1500 gram is equal to 350 gram. Now we change this into both quantities into grams. Now we will simplify by dividing with the same number. So we will check first of all if there are the same 110 or any same zero, so we can cancel them directly. So here we are cancelling this 110 on the both sides. So it will be 150 gram, and this will be 35. Okay, 35 gram. Now you can divide this both to 7. Yes, we can divide. No, we can divide it by 5 because here is the last digit are 5 and 0. So we will apply the divisibility rule of 5. So we will divide by 5. So it will be 5 3s are 15 and 0, and this is 5 7 times is 35. So this is the simplest form of this ratio. Okay. So first of all, we have to check either both quantities are in the same measurements, or in the same ratio, in the same quantities, then we will further continue and simplify. If they are not, then we convert one quantity to the other quantity and then simplify this. Okay, so its B part is 15 over 24, 9 over 7. Okay, this type of ratios we will cross multiply. We will cross multiply like this. So 15 multiplied by 7 ratio 9 multiplied by 24. 15 7 time is 7 fives are 35 and 3 then 7 ones are 7 and 10. It is 9 fours are 36. 3 will be remainder and 9 twos are 18 and plus 3 is 18, 19, 20 and 21. So it will be 21. Now we will check either both can be divisible by the same number. If they are divisible by the same number, then we can divide and simplify. But if they are not divisible by the same number, then this is the final answer. Okay. So let me check. It cannot be divisible by 2 and it can be divisible by 3. Here you can divide it by 3 on both sides. So it is 3, 9, 3 threes are 9, 1 is remainder, 3 fives are 15. And then 3 7 time is 21 and 3 2 time is 3 2 time is 6. Okay, so this is the simplest form of this ratio. Got it? Yes, Saja and Huzefa.
Yes, I got it.
Yes, Saja.
Teacher, why is it 3 written above 24?
When we multiply this 4 multiplied by 9, it is 36. So I put 3 up. 9 twos are 18 and
Oh,
1.
okay, sir.
That's why. Okay, now, yes, Saja, are you there? Hello, Saja. Saja, are you there? Okay, now, according to this, these are both in the decimal form. So we will change them into normal fraction form or the normal numbers form by dividing, by changing this into, by multiplying it by dividing it by 100 on both sides. So we are dividing it
Okay,
by, no, we are multiplying.
yes.
Uh, multiplying it with 100. Or also we can divide it by, so now this will be 45 and this will be 85. Or if you will divide this into like this, we have two methods for this 0.85. So you can remove this decimal sign by dividing by 100. Okay, so this is also, and then you will multiply this by cross multiplication and solve it. So it will be a little bigger, or the more bigger number we will get. So better to use this method. So according to this method, by multiplying, we can remove this decimal sign by multiplying with 100. So it will be 45 and this will be 85. Now you can divide it by 5 and 5. So it is 9 times, it is 5 1 times 5, and then 3 is remainder and 5 7 time is 35. Okay, so this is the simplest form of this question. Yes, Saja, is it clear? Hello, Saja, can you hear me?
Teacher, she said I can hear you.
Okay, she's writing some.
Teacher, shouldn't be the answer 9:16?
Which one? 9
This
and
one.
17. 9 and 17.
But when we divide it by 5, so it comes 15. Wait, it's check that
Divide
time.
85 5 times. 5, 1 times 5. 3 is remainder. Then 5 7 time is 35.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I
Okay.
think I got confused.
ml, then 1.12 L, and then 104 milliliter. Now two quantities are in milliliter, but one is in liter. So we will change this liter into milliliter. So by
By
multiplying
1,000.
with 1000. Okay. So
Yeah.
here it is 580 ml, and this one be 1102 and 0. 120 milliliter and then 104 milliliter. Now we changed this into milliliter. So now here we will check either can be divisible by 2. So we will check this can be divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. All divided by 2. So it is 2 2s are 4. 1 is remainder. 2 9s are 18 and then 0. Then it is 2 5 times 10, then 12, 2 6 times 12 and 0. And this will be 2 5 times 10 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, again you can divide it by 2 and 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16 and 0. And this one will be 2 twos are 4 and 2 6 times 12. Now we can check is it divisible by any number with the same number. So we cannot divide further it with the same number. So this is the final answer. Okay.
Okay.
So now here 2 over 3, 3 over 2, 3 over 2 and 5 over 8. Okay, for finding this type of the ratios, what we will do, we will multiply the denominators and find the LCM. So
48.
it is 48, yes. So it will be 48. Now multiply 48 with the all ratios.
Um,
It is 48 and this one also 48 and this one also 48. Okay, now cancel. 3, how many times 3? 1 times and 6 times is 48.
16.
16. Now 2, 2, 2 and 2, 4. 8,
Hold
1
on.
and 8,
8,
6.
6.
Okay, now it is 32,
2 over 16. Oh
6,
yeah, we multiply.
4
Okay.
3s are 12 and 12 and 1 is remaining, 3 2s are 6 and 7.
72.
Yes, and this one will be 30.
35. 30.
Yes, now we can divide it by 2 2. Okay,
Yeah.
so it will
Okay.
be 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 time
These
is
are 12.
2, 3
Two,
times is
three is
6
6.
and
Two,
2,
six the square.
okay, 2, 15 times. Now,
Yeah.
further we cannot divide with the same number. So this is the
This will be
simplest.
the answer.
Yes, so this is the simplest form of this question. Okay. Now
Okay.
its F part is, Saja, is it clear? I'm asking again and again because if you have confusion, so we can discuss right now. 1.8. Now here no unit is mentioned here. So we will simply multiply it with 100. So better because after decimal point we have 2 digits. So better to multiply it with 100. Okay. So we are multiplying all numbers by 100. So we will get the same ratio. So it will be 33, it will be 63, and it will be 180. 180. Then we will divide it by with the same number by checking this number is divisible by 3. Yes, it can be divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3 and 3. 3 11 times, 3 2 and 1, and 3 6 and 0. Now this is the final answer. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, now question number 2, exercise 9a. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. If a is, find the value of a. A ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25. Okay, now we can write this into this form. 6 over 25. Now cross multiply. By cross multiplication, this 25 will multiply
5,
with a and
25, 8, 6, 0,
mul-
6,
multiply with 400.
24, 2400.
2400. Yes, so it is 2400.
100.
Now divide it by both side by 25 because we have to find the value of a.
A
So it is a.
is
Now
equal.
we can divide it by 5 because the last number is 0 and 5.
Yes.
So it is
Uh,
5, 4 times 20, 4 remainder, 4, 5, 8 times 40 and 0. And 5, 5 times is again we can divide it by 5, 5.
yes.
It is 4, 9 times 45, 3 remainder, 4, 5, 6 times 30, and 5, 1 time is 5. So A value is 96.
96.
Yes. Now this is the B part of this question. This one was the A part. So this is the A part and this one is the B part. Given that 5B 8 is equal to 2 over 5. Then find B value.
B.
Find B.
B value.
So it is 5B over 8 is equal to
8.
2 over 5.
5.
Now
Here cross multiplication.
cross multiply.
25 B.
So it will be, this will go up, this will go up. So it is 25 B
5 B
and
equal
16.
to 16.
Then divide 25
Right
on both
with
sides. This
16.
side we will get 1. So I'm not writing here now 1. So it's 16 over 25. This is the final answer. Okay, because this cannot
Okay.
be divisible with the same number.
Because it's mixed fraction.
Yes. Now question number 3. Given that the ratios 2x over 5 is equal to 3y over x. Now find the ratio of x and y. Find ratio x ratio y.
X and Y.
So cross multiply. This will be
16x
16 and
is equal to
15.
15y.
Okay. Now we can divide with the same number.
Yes.
Which number?
16. Wait, no. It's now we cannot.
We cannot. Okay. So it's mean we will shift again, we will cross multiply and shift the numbers to other side. So we
Yeah.
will shift this number 15 to here and here y to this side. Okay. So I will write
Okay.
x over
X
y
over Y and 15
and
over
15 over
16.
16.
16. 1
So
whole 1
so this
over
is the
50.
ratio of x over
Yeah.
x and y cross
Oh,
multiplication.
okay.
Okay, I think it's enough for today. We have only two questions left from this section.